welcome to my channel. My name is Sonja and you're watching Domestic Diva Cooking. Today I thought I'd share with you what I bought at our local farmers market. Our area is known for our pretty large farmers market and we have tons of goodies there. But I don't get out there as much as I would like to, but today I did, so I thought I'd share with you what I got. So here's all the stuff that I got. So I'm gonna take it all out and then I'm gonna show you what it is. So here is what I got. So I got some jalapeno peppers. I like using these in a lot of my cooking. I like omelets with it. I'm making guacamole, or if we're having burritos or fajitas, I like slicing them up and adding them to it. Then there's a natural food place, so a dog food place, so dog treat place, so I actually picked them up some stuff. It's what is this? Yes, this is a Mountain Dew. It's yak cheese. Then these were bully tails or something like that, bully sticks and duck stick. So they're all natural. Gotta buy him some treats every time I go somewhere. Then I got King of Peaches. They are in season now and they're tasting absolutely delicious. Check out this extra large cauliflower. I'm making loaded cauliflower tomorrow, so I needed some cauliflower. Then Italian plums. I absolutely love these and I look forward every season for them. They bring back a lot of childhood memories. Got some raspberries, blueberries. No. Then I got some Hungarian Hot Peppers. I like putting these in a sandwich or just having them on a side of like meat and cheese. Celery root, and I will be washing, cleaning them, cutting them into fours and freezing them. They're great for soup broth. I will also save the leaves. Then I've got some honey gold, I think they're called. I tend to buy certain apples that the grocery stores typically don't carry, and these were, I think they're called honey gold. And then I got tons of parsley root. Again, same thing. I need it for my soup broth, and tons of parsley leaf. I will freeze that as well for the soup or any recipe that needs it. Then I got spring onion. I love eating spring onion as well as adding it to dishes. Then I got assorted peppers and a giant bag of Marzano tomatoes. I will be cleaning these up and freezing them for the winter. So that way whenever I need some tomatoes, like for chili or anytime it needs any diced or whole tomatoes, I have them. And when you freeze them, I just cut off this tip and wash it, freeze it, and then when I take it out of the freezer, run it under hot water, the skin just comes off. So that's it. I just thought I'd share it with you. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see how I store all this stuff in my fridge and things like that, I have done videos of my fridge organization on my other channel before, which I can link below. But if you want to see some new ones, let me know down in the comments. So until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day and thank you so much for watching.